Hey guys, today we're back in another Animal Company video. Today we are going to be checking out this whole new update. And if we get to check out every update, I will give this bundle away to whoever would like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wait, so let's get into it. So the first method is we're going to be going to mine. No, not mines. Forest, because I heard they had a new forest update. So let's check that first. Once we check that, it'll be good to go. So let's check forest first. Then we'll be good to go. Oh, there's the ogre. Oh no, he's coming that way. Oh, he's gonna pick me up. The ogre. I concluded he was in here. But come on. We gotta stay. What the heck? I'm stuck. We gotta stay put. Oh. I'm out. No. Super ugly controller. Sorry guys, I have died. But this myth is confirmed, and I didn't do nothing because you guys already know that. But this myth is confirmed if you got the polar bear. Dang. Mythic confirmed. What do you do? I need some clothes. I'm kind of naked. No, I'm good. But scroll down. Ha! He's always gonna keep dying on me. Why are you dying? I never have a break from dying on chores. Let's try clothes. Oh, there's this wood in that rancor man. Does this work? Guys, this work? Comment down below if this works, because this is a good outfit for me. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna join a code and join one of my friends. So let's head in. He added me, so I'm just gonna say yes. Who this is? I'm gonna join J-Man. What?
Bro KF.
Here we are in
Hey, bro.
friends.
Bro, grab
Oh, you got the friend launcher? I have one in my storage.
Bro,
Wait. Where'd he just go? Turkey just disappeared. Turkey! Turkey!
the mythic is confirmed.
Finding away. Finding away
And
to
my phone
the
cool on, so let's fix this up.
Bro, just do it already. Go in. Yeah, right there. Can someone give me a launcher thing? What? Then what are you doing?
Buddy?
I'm flying around. That's
I'm the launcher of that. Why is
Like
your
the RPG
bag
launchers?
so heavy? Yeah.
It's
I
because
kinda
it's
don't have
filled with
enough
stuff that I
room
got
left,
from the
sorry.
giveaway.
Oh, I just wanted one.
My bad. This is
If
my
you
bad,
could
this is
sell
my bad.
something, I could get you
Oh,
one.
this is my bad. Haha, you stop.
If I saw something, you give me one.
Yeah, that's really
Yo, Uncle
good.
Steve, Uncle Steve.
Okay, what do I have to sell?
Just sell anything you want. Do you know what a suitcase is?
Uncle Steve.
Yeah?
Do you have it?
No.
Uncle Name.
Here, you want to add me? We could
Yeah.
probably go get some money. Alright.
We're gonna have that bag on your back. Add me.
Alright.
Add me.
I did.
Alright, what's your name?
Here, go to friends,
Get
and
down.
you should see me right there.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Alright, now join me, okay?
Wait, can you delete yourself back?
What?
Delete yourself back.
I can't do that. Here, just join me.
Oh,
Join
I
me.
see you. Okay, I see you.
Alright, now join me. This man does not know how to get the RPGs. Like, he could literally unlock. Last time, bro.
Okay, I'm here.
Oh, I'm right behind you, buddy.
What the? Look at my name. Look at my name.
Alright, I don't care. Alright. So, I was kind of making a YouTube video.
Why you had it?